boxes. That has given me a Mega Monster idea! Woohoo! Being round is the best. You could pretend to be a wheel, vroom, vroom, or a shiny sun, shiny, 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 or a bouncy bubble, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. But our round boxes aren't for rolling around. They're going to help us make a teddy bear box. Perfect for keeping those extra sandwiches in.
As well as these round boxes, we'll need a big box, card, stickers and paint.
What would you like to do first?
We need to paint the boxes a nice teddy bear brown.
Great idea! Painty, painty, monster painty! Boom, 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 boom.
We're painting the box to look like fur.
Hey, 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 hey!
Now let's paint some paper and the round boxes.
Whoa! Painty, painty, monster furry painty!
Now we can leave it to dry.
Don't forget, Rebecca, we need some cheeky rosy cheeks for our teddy bear box.
Yep. Draw around the bottom of a paper cup on pink paper.
Now for the teddy's nose. Draw an oval shape.
Draw around a plate for a big round bear belly. Mustn't forget the arms for bear hugs.
And the ears for bear wiggles.
Draw 2 ears and 2 paws on the painted paper once it's dry.
Drawy, drawy, monster draw.
Now carefully cut everything out.
Yes, this calls for some monster cutting.
Remember to always ask a grown-up to help when you're cutting. What shall we do next?
Sticky, sticky, stick. I love sticking. Sticky, sticky, monster sticky. Let's do the eyes. We can use stickers.
Or you can stick on paper circles. We're nearly finished, Murphy.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Oh.
Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you.
They've given our teddy bear box a cute mouth, nose and teddy toes. Our teddy bear box is finished.
And ready to put those extra sandwiches in.
Why don't you make one too?